This video is proudly brought to you by Sycamore Labs.
Simple harmonic motion is not just for introductory physics class. It appears everywhere because of a fundamental mathematical truth. Any stable system looks like a spring if you zoom in enough. Imagine a marble resting at the bottom of a smooth bowl. The bowl has a local minimum, a point where the potential energy is lowest and the net force is zero. We call this the equilibrium point. If the marble moves even slightly away, a restoring force pushes it back toward that center. Whether it is a swinging pendulum, the vibrations of a guitar string, or even atoms in a crystal lattice, the governing dynamics near equilibrium always follow the same underlying rule. To see why this happens, we look at the potential energy function, U of x. For any system in stable equilibrium at x equals 0, the potential energy is at a minimum. We can approximate any smooth function near this point using a Taylor expansion. The first term is just a constant energy value, which we can set to 0. The second term involves the first derivative, which is the slope. Since we are at a minimum, the slope is 0, so this term vanishes. That leaves us with the third term, 1/2 times the second derivative of u with respect to x evaluated at the minimum times x squared. This is the first non-zero part of the approximation. This result should look familiar. In introductory physics, the potential energy of a spring is defined as 1/2 kx squared, where k is the spring constant. By comparing our Taylor expansion to this formula, we see that the second derivative of the potential energy acts exactly like the stiffness of a spring. The force is the negative derivative of the potential. Taking the derivative of 1/2 kx squared gives us negative k times x. This is Hooke's law. It tells us that as long as the displacement x is small, the restoring force is always proportional to the distance from equilibrium. This proportionality is the exact requirement for simple harmonic motion. Because every smooth potential curve looks like a parabola near its bottom, every stable system behaves like a simple harmonic oscillator for small vibrations. The math does not care if the system is a bridge swaying in the wind or a molecule vibrating in your coffee. However, the common mistake is assuming this approximation holds for large movements. If the marble is pushed too far, higher order terms from the Taylor expansion, like x cubed or x to the fourth, become significant, and the motion is no longer simple. But for small disturbances, the universe is built out of springs.